So here's the list of baits that I'm using. These are all from Europe, Hungary especially, but these I ordered from Carp Kit. I think it's in US or maybe in Canada, I'm not sure. This sherbet smoke is working really well. Also the pink almond, Carp seems to love it very much. I'm also using this strawberry bait spray, but for today I'm using a pink pop-up, and I put some pink almond, and on the other rod I'm using a pineapple pop-up extra large, which works really well for me during this fall. I've also tried the coconut and tiger nut pop-up. I also have the boilie, which is 20 millimeters, and the pop-up is also 20 millimeters. Here's the bait that I'm using for today. It's just